Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Who is the controller of the weather system of the universe? Who is the one who creates and transforms the clouds? Who is the one who brings the clouds? Who is the one who transforms the clouds? Who is the one who disappears the clouds? Who is the one who brings the clouds? Who is the one who creates black clouds, white clouds? Who is the one who brings the raining from the sky through the clouds on the earth? Who is the one who is controlling the heat wave of sun? Who is the one who is controlling the weather system of the physical world? If you ask any person of any religion in the world, he will try or she will try to tell you that the one who she or he is worshipping is the one who is creating and controlling the system of universe related to the weather and the nature. Now I ask from you, have you ever investigated, have you ever asked that person to show you the proof that the one who he or she has been claiming in front of you regarding the name as a God and being the authority on the weather of the system of the universe, especially related to the physical world, because on the physical world human beings can see the weather. Human beings with their scientific machines, with their advanced systems, can detect and watch the weather transformation in their city, over their city, through their most advanced scientific machine. So the question is, if someone who worship anyone and claiming that deity or gods or goddess as a god and authority of the universe, then he or she, if only saying, then the saying will not be accepted as a proof. Because saying does not prove that whatever is being said is the proof. Anyone who is claiming something in relation to whoever she or he is worshipping as a god, he or she must ask anyone who they are worshipping to prove himself as the god or prove herself as the goddess on the behalf of that worshipper, to prove that the one who they are worshipping, the group of people of that religion, the group of people of that god or goddess, then that god or goddess should prove his or her authority through the nature in the physical real world by transforming the weather upon the prayers of his or her worshipper. And not only transform, because if there is a god who will transform the weather system, who will transform the anything, then how someone can identify and prove that it is not natural, it is happening by the command of God, it is happening by the will of God, it is happening because the God will was changed, because the God decided to do something else and the forecast departments people were claiming something else. The God will change and the system change. Then how people can identify it? People will identify it when the one who will be doing it on behalf of his worshipper will write and sign his name as a signature when he will be doing it. Or if that is a goddess, then she will be doing it. The name should be written by the god or goddess through the nature as well. It does not matter if the god or goddess writes his name through the clouds, through the trees, through the vegetables, through the weather, through the raining, through the sky. It does not matter. What matters is the one who will be transforming the weather. For the event of transformation of the weather should prove it through the nature. Especially it will be done by the clouds, then it will be very, very, very natural and very, very much real, because the clouds cannot be touched by a human through his physical hand when he is on the earth.